I told her I really don't care. If you wanna leave, then so be it. Just don't come back when you see me with somebody else. Just don't come back, might as well go find somebody else. Just don't come back, you probably better off by yourself. Cause I'm no better off by myself. Just don't come back, just don't come back. Just don't come back, don't come back. Just don't come back.
You probably gonna die first? Racist? What the fuck? Hello? Why you think that shit, nigga? Oh shit, what am I? Oh my god, I'm a bitch. How do I unmute myself? I ain't trying to switch, my nigga. I'm trying to stay as the bad bitch, nigga. Oh, how do we ready up?
Did you pray today?
Did you pray today? Did you pray today? Cause if you
Cause
did
if
it,
not, I'm about to D you down.
oh, so gangster shit. Hey, what the fuck you know about that, twin? What the fuck?
Oh, what you know about that?
Nah, what you? Damn, why your character bad as fuck though?
She got cake too.
Bro, I gotta see, bro. Hey, bro, you gotta guide me, bro. You gotta guide me.
But what I'm trying to figure out is why they made the black nigga with the most.
Wait, you said they gave him the most what?
The black nigga in the game that you could pick.
Yeah.
They gave him like the most speed or something.
That's crazy. What the fuck? Oh shit. Hey, bro, they supposed to hear us, bro.
What is going on?
Yeah, they gonna hear us, but it don't really matter like at the beginning when you cutting yourself down from the rope.
Yo, watch out behind you. Watch out behind you. Yo, what the fuck? Start moving, nigga.
This looks safe. It'll help.
No, they got my nigga, bro. No. Hey, gang, what you doing? Gang, what you doing, bro?
You see the one making noise?
Yeah, I see you. I see you.
Yeah, that's me.
What you trying to do?
I'm getting these tools so I can unlock the doors.
Are we supposed to stick together, or is that a bad idea?
Yeah. Hey, when that thing, when it says, when the little grandpa comes on or whatever, when it says keep still on your screen, like don't move because then they could see where you at.
I bet.
Oh wait, hold on.
Can they hear us or no?
Nah, but they probably coming for us right now. Hey, follow me so I could come unlock this door.
Come on. I gotta find something I can use.
Hey, let me know if anybody start coming.
Alright, I got you. I'll be on lookout. Don't move when Grandpa's making noise. I bet. Find a lockpick and get upstairs. I bet. Oh shit.
Oh, thank God.
Alright, unlock the door.
I hope this works. Please.
Yo, my nigga, where'd you go?
I'm outside.
I bet.
Is that? Oh yeah, I'm right here.
Think. What do I do? What do I do? Yes. A shortcut.
Could this have way more breathing room? Okay. The more dangerous out, it's way more dangerous outside.
Careful.
Dumbass chicken.
It's too quiet. Something's not right.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Hell fucking no. Hell fucking no. Hell fucking no. Yo, 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 yo! No, 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 no! Get the fuck away! Get the fuck away from me, bitch! Get the fuck away from me! Get the fuck away from me! Go get the fuck away! Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, hold on, bro. They need to the fuck out, man. They need to the fuck out.
If it ain't asking too much before you go and run off again, would you mind helping me out?
Gang, where you at, bruh?
I'm right here. Wait, is that you? Oh nah,
Oh shit,
that's a different.
dumbass nigga. That nigga dumb as fuck. You escaped, nigga?
Please don't let that thing come back.
Wait, did someone already escape?
Yo, what? Where? He escaped?
Yeah. They left the door unlocked into the slaughterhouse.
Oh shit. I'm on my way out. Where's the exit at?
But where
Where's
the
exit at?
slaughterhouse at?
No idea where the exit's at.
I can do this.
Yo, chat. Yo, what's good? Where the exit, bruh? Oh shit. Oh, are you fucking serious? Dude, it's locked.
Hold on, I can pick that.
You can pick it? Oh shit. Yo, yo, yo.
Wait, where y'all at?
We in the slaughterhouse, like in the back. The slaughterhouse is outside. Like, remember we was going outside?
Oh, alright.
Why she kind of bad, bro? They all bad, bro.
Sorry, this is gonna take a while. One sec.
You got this, bro. You got this. I'll be on lookout. I'll be on lookout.
Almost. All right, we're out.
Oh shit.
Wait, who's this right here? Who's the person? This girl with the pants?
It's not me. Damn, bro. We out. Bro, this not the exit. What the fuck?
Hold on, I'm turning something off. I don't know what it does.
I eat all her ass. What the fuck? Turn off the engine. Oh, hey. You turned it off. Hey, we can get out, bruh. Come on. Oh, shit. Wait, there's another thing? Oh, my God. You got an unlock tool, bruh? You got an unlock tool?
I don't have a tool. We need to find another tool.
Fuck. I'm trying, bro. I don't know where the fuck.
Hold on, I got a tool.
Oh, shit. I bet.
Yeah, I think this exit finna open. Outside. Yeah, exit's open.
Oh, shit. Good looks. Hey, we out that motherfucker.
I'm out. Skate
Oh, what
out
the
of
fuck?
there.
No. Bro, that bitch not open, bro. You lying, bro.
No, there is. You gotta go to the, it's a different exit you gotta go to.
Hey, coming. I got you. I got you. We're gonna escape this one.
I bet. Hey, these killers fucking suck, dude. If you get your pick lock, use your ability on the gate, you can instantly unlock that shit. Hey, is there a way you can drop that shit or no? Cause I can't.
Honestly, I have no idea.
Cause I can automatically unlock shit. But
Shit.
I need a lock pick.
I'm halfway.
I bet.
It won't budge.
Hey, first game on and we winning.
Fuck! I broke the
yeah.
tool.
You what?
Damn.
Hold on, follow me.
Y'all might as well go to the other exit now.
Wait, I know where the tool is.
Where's the other exit at? Where's the other exit
with
at?
me.
Where's the other exit?
Oh, yeah, it's like on. You gotta go to the slaughterhouse.
Okay, what side though?
I think. Yeah, make a left, go to there.
Just think, there's got to be a way out.
No!
Oh, you better run.
Ah!
Oh, the exit's over there. The exit's over there. Yeah, make a right there. Oh, they closed it.
Oh shit! No, bruh!
Can you get back?
No, nigga, no, bruh, no!
Come back.
No!
They could fit the die. They just murked this nigga.
Bro, you a no, fuck you, nigga. I'm never listening to your bitch ass, bro. You a bitch. You a bitch, bro. You knew. You should have knew these niggas were out there, bro. What the fuck? Come on, man.
They really just murked this nigga.
Bro, they ain't gave me no one-on-one. Them niggas jumped me, bro. All three of them. These bitches got ass for real. What the fuck? Leland can do a hit stick to the killers, by the way. For real?
Right there, right there. Hey, tell him. Okay.
Oh my god, already, bruh!
Whoa!
Turn your bike off, nigga. Damn.
Shut
that
up.
loud. Shut your dumb ass up, nigga. What the fuck?
Back of the ass, bro.
Yeah, can you please, like that loud ass mic, like, listen to what that other
Damn,
nigga
niggas
told
can't hear. Niggas can't hear shit. What the
Facts,
fuck?
facts. Nigga can't hear nothing, bruh. You trying to suck my dick? Yo, these niggas in jail. Yo, come on, bro. You trying to do some weird shit when you want my shit, dude.
You a fast, bro.
Bro, can you stop using that word? I'm gay.
Boy, get the fuck out of here, boy. Open that door with your goofy ass, boy.
Bro, shut your bitch ass up. Don't you see me trying, nigga?
Man, you shut your bitch ass up and get that bitch open. Fuck wrong with
Bro,
you?
nigga, I'm trying, bro.
You slow as fuck, nigga. The hell wrong with you, boy?
Why is nigga on my dick?
Oh, this is a goof, boy. You gonna get us killed in this bitch, boy. That's go walk around that corner and chop your ass up first time. Oh, shit. I told you, dumbass bitch. You a stupid ass nigga, boy.
Shut the fuck up, nigga. Bro, shut the fuck up.
Your ass is goofy, man.
Damn, nigga, you talk too much, bro. If you wasn't in my ear, nigga, I would have unlocked that shit.
You a hoe.
Woohoo!
Oh, your ass got killed, bitch. I'm gonna get the fuck out of this bitch. Your ass tripping, fool. Oh, that trying to get a nigga killed in this bitch. You like, goofy.
Niggas trying to say I'm sorry.
Dang, bro. Man, come on, man.
What the hell is wrong with these people?
But this is my first time.
Yeah, me too, man. That nigga a dumbass nigga though, man.
Bro, shut the fuck up, nigga. How about what if it was my first time too, nigga? Like, damn, bro. Why y'all on my dick?
Man,
We're
y'all
chilling, bro.
niggas
It's my
good,
first time. Don't get so mad, dog.
man.
You alright?
You alright?
Bro, cause this nigga in my
Bro,
ear, bro.
tweaking,
I was trying to unlock this door, nigga, all up in my ear. Oh, nigga,
shit,
I'm trying to
shit.
escape
What
this
you talking
shit. Hey, like, bro.
Broken, take the stress.
Oh, bro. You hear me? Hello.
Yo, this nigga house is collapsing, bro. Mute your mic, bro. What the fuck?
Dumbass grandpa.
What is that over there, bitch? Yo, bitch ass nigga get something else. Just fucking do it.
Bro, lockpick at her, son, bro.
Man, bro, what the fuck, bro? How the fuck you get that shit to unlock the door, man? How the fuck I get that bitch unlocked?
He's not dead yet, so it's something. If the killers were good, he would have been dead.
Oh, shorty trying to stab me, too. Oh.
I gotta stay focused. Gotta get out of here.
Oh, shit.
Yo, this nigga Leatherface is dumb as shit. How do I heal up? Oh. Stop moving, dickhead. Bruh. I'm cool, bruh. I'm cool. Chill out. See, like, we vibing and shit, like.
Oh, this bitch trying to kill me, fool.
Bro, we need to. Can we work together? Can we work together now?
Where you at, bro?
Oh! These niggas,
Yo, them niggas is coming. Them niggas is coming. Run.
Yo, I can't even get out this bitch, bro.
Yeah, high chest.
I'm literally stuck in this fucking bitch, bro. No cap, bro.
Nigga, can you read? Keep still to avoid detection?
Basement, fool.
Bro, chill,
I
bro.
found one of the doors, bro.
Bro, I am reading, bro. Oh, bro, there's so many voices, bro. There's so many niggas. You, these niggas, bro. Everybody on my dick, bro. Can y'all niggas chill out, bro? For 1 second, bro. Let me play, bro. Just let me play. Niggas start looting for shit. You're actually wasting time.
Oh yeah, right here, we out.
I am looting.
Oh yeah, we out.
These people.
Oh no, the tool broke. Are you fucking serious?
Hey, who's
bro?
this bitch I'm following?
Who?
Who's this? Bro,
Oh,
this,
no.
bro, this nigga don't even got
Good.
Bro, where the tools at? Who's at, man?
Oh yeah, we out. Oh yeah, we out.
You better go down this one.
Oh yeah, oh shit, yo, we out. Yo, we out.
Think.
Yo, we out. Oh shit, we out.
I'm trying to help you win, bitch. You have the best offensive
Oh,
ability
bitch.
in the game.
Bitch, you better run. Oh,
That
dumbass
nigga
bitch.
better not
You about to
follow
get
us.
chopped up again,
Oh
dumbass
shit.
hoe. Oh shit. Oh shit.
This looks promising.
Oh shit! Bitches killed me, bro. Oh fuck.
Yeah, that's what your ass.
Yo, that nigga right there.
Hey, shut your bitch ass up, hoe ass nigga. I'll smack your bitch ass in your fucking teeth, bitch. Fuck wrong with you, hoe ass dude.
Yo,
You goofy nigga.
this nigga mad.
You a hoe ass nigga. That's why you finna die next, bitch.
No, the fuck I'm not. No, the fuck I'm not. Do.
I know what I did though, man. Come on, man. Little ducking that. What you just sitting there for, shorty?
Nigga, they say keep still cause of grandpa, nigga, you not.
Bitch. Fuck that nigga.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. This is half. Yes.
Damn, bruh. When it's Chicago,
That nigga about to get on your ass, boy. First time. Why is you going back in there for? It's your dumb ass.
Nigga, where the fuck was that? Bro, where was I supposed to go?
You know what? What you the female? Which one is you, bro? You the female or you the male?
I'm the nigga.
Yeah, that's what I said, nigga. I was talking to you. I don't know why this nigga over here.
Bro, where are the tools at?
That's where you get all the tools at, bro. Oh, you tripping, you cooking that bitch too fast, boy.
Why are they doing this?
Oh, boy, they on your ass, you better go. Oh, shit, your ass about to get beat the fuck up now. Oh, he say yeet. Oh, yeah. I'm not this bitch. Glad. It's gonna be your ass running ugly as hell.
Yo, bro, can you shut the fuck up, bro? Just get out of my ear, bro. I'm trying to focus, bro. Damn, nigga. I'm about sweating this shit right now and everything, bro. Like, bro.
Damn, bro. Hey, homie got hype up, man.
Oh, no.
Maybe not. You're gonna let it die regardless.
Oh, shit!
Oh, he dying now. Oh, so they trapped your ass, boy.
How about I use my shit? How about I use my shit? Bitch ass nigga.
Oh, he just hit his ass. Oh, I didn't know you could do that. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna beat shorty ass. You about to get on your head now. You stupid, nigga. He seen you duck your ass right there, you goofy ass dude.
No!
I was about to say, you a goofball. Nigga. Bitch, your shit.
Bro, you a bitch nigga, bro. I would've won the game if you wasn't in my ear like you was on my dick the whole game, bro. Ever since I was unlocking that shit, bro. Come on, bro. Damn, bro. Can I get good teammates, bro?
Oh God, where am I? I think I can make it.
Already, bro.
A shortcut?
on my dick, bruh. Hell, bruh. Where my teammates at? Oh my god, bruh. Holy shit. Bro, y'all, so none of y'all niggas got a mic. What the fuck? I know y'all niggas hear me, bruh. Oh shit. Bro, what is going on? Oh, did they leave that shit unlocked? Oh shit.
Ay, Madre de Dios. Please, protect us. Please.
Use front exit is the easiest. What do we gotta do to get the front exit out? I got gang fucked by Leatherface and Sissy. This is why I don't play the game, bruh. Don't play victims, bruh.
Yes.
Hold on, bruh.
Fit in that lock.
I got this shit.
Please.
Oh shit.
Where the mountains reach like fingers to the sky. Never ask
Bitch!
why,
You get away from me.
never die.
Fuck! I shouldn't have done that, bruh. Oh shit.
See what that is.
Fuck. Fuck. Oh shit. Bro, I'm done. Bro, I'm done, bro. It's done, bro. Fuck this game. Fuck this game. This game can eat my fucking ball sack, bro. Holy fucking shit, bro. I'm like, bro, like that's some like, alright, bro. Alright, bro. Bruh. 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 Bro. Bro. Alright, bro. I'm taking my ass to bed, bro. That shit blew. That shit blows. And Drake, you a bitch ass nigga for not dropping, bro. Eat my ball sack, bro. Everybody watching, eat my ball sack.